both of you started out in the fashion industry, and both of you at one point, bright-eyed, wide-eyed about what's going on. Did you come across any creepy characters or any kind of people who try to take advantage of your innocence at that point?
Of course, I met few people, but I just ignored. And
who was the worst, without names?
No, it's not the worst. I don't even remember now because that is like erased completely.
No, completely. Yeah. I'm just saying, what's the most oddball, creepazoid character you bumped into?
I didn't meet. Most of the creepy people I've met are not from the fraternity.
Yeah.
It's amazing because people think that it's the big bad world of fashion or the big bad world of Bollywood. It's really not.
It's not.
The people who actually are the cream of these two industries are extremely cultured and well behaved. It is those people who try and show that they are the cream of this industry, and it is those naive people who believe that they are. That's where the creepiness happens. Otherwise, actually, the people who rule the roost in these two industries are not at all. They are extremely cultured, well-behaved, and believe in values. And it's just a terrible perception which I hope changes.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, I'm not from the industry, and I can say I'm very proud of being a part of the industry because, I mean, I've met such wonderful family-oriented people here, which I never expected. I truly came into this field thinking
with the same
preconceived notion, and I try and say it everywhere. That it is really the people you meet and how you decide to interact with them.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, a lot of female bonding also on this movie. Do you think two models can be better friends, or can two actresses be better friends? Which is more difficult?
I think both.
Both, yeah.
Can happen. I think with actors there's a lot more at stake. So I think competitions becomes a little bit more competitive. If you're okay with leaving your professional side separate, like I'm very good friends with a few actresses, and we're okay with the fact that we do similar films and etc. And I have seen a lot of models who are really close friends.
Yeah.
And Mugdha will probably be able to speak about that a lot more.
Yeah.
But I've seen it myself.
If you get along as a person, an individual, I think you can be best of friends. I know so many models. But yes, if you don't get along, then you are like...
But that's in any
36.
field, no?
Yeah.
You do have a very low phase in your journey as this character.
Yeah, I do. My character has goes through major highs and lows and highs and lows and highs and lows in the film. And I think that is the victory of this character because the graph is incredible and it all happens in the span of a year and a half.
Mugdha, one reason why someone should come and watch this film in the middle of the festive season, why should someone come and watch Fashion?
Number one is it's a Bhandarkar film. Yes, of course.
Number two, you're in it.
We are in it. Of course, Priyanka is... Everyone's want to see her.
Oh, please.
What please? Come on.
Yeah.
You're looking so hot. So, yeah. And
now that's female bonding.
Of course. I've learned
too nice.
No, I'm serious. When I entered this industry, I feel I have made two good friends, Priyanka and Kangana. They are a call away from me. I have heard about superstars, they are like this, they are like that. But my definition changed when I met her and Kangana.
So sweet,
yeah, because she's so like us, like, of course. Yeah, because, we used to think, aisa hota hai, waise karte hain, but she has given lines standing behind the camera to me and all, like she has really been there. Anyone will just go off, okay, I'm packed up, I'm going home types. So
what was the question again?
Yeah. I went Madhur layers his film. That's what I love about his film. I'm going to watch it. Because half the time I don't think that I am there in it because for me it's not sunk in yet. So
I still can't. I still watch the film thinking it's
someone else.
Yeah.
No, but as a role, Priyanka, as a role, this is completely, you have a lot to bite into. In this one, was that a great experience? This is your movie in a lot of ways.
It was very scary.
Yeah.
I felt it took me about 6 months to say yes to this film, and
why? I would think it would be something any actress would want to jump on.
No,
when
you share the responsibility a lot more, it's easier to be a part of something, and when you don't as much, the onus comes onto you a lot more, and you have to be ready for that. And when I took the film on, I was ready to take on anything. But when it came to me, I was I was scared whether I would be able to give it as much as it required. But after the 6 months of deliberation and Madhur and me talking and him being completely convinced and convincing me, eventually I knew that, I have to convince myself to be able to give it that much more, because something like, you take a lot of responsibility.
Yeah. Are you satisfied with your performance? You think that was the best you could do in that?
I can
movie?
never be objective about my work. If today I watch it, I would say, oh God, if I would have done that scene again, I would do it better.
Yeah.
So in all my films, I've never been able to say that, oh, that's the best I could have done at that point. I would still feel today that, damn, maybe
Yeah,
that day I
more
wasn't
good.
feeling well.
Yeah.
Okay, now why is it that whenever anything about fashion is in the news, it's all about wardrobe malfunctions? Now, what is this thing? I mean, I cannot understand how you wear something and it just falls off.
It's an
It
accident
happens.
on ramp.
It's happened so many times,
Yeah,
not just
it's
once.
an accident. So I don't know why this particular accident has been blown up so much, but
I mean, the allegation is that it could be done on purpose to promote that designer or that show.
That they say, even when they talk about linking one actor to the other, they
True.
say,
Yeah,
oh, it's,
yeah,
it's,
yeah.
it's for
So-
the promotion of the film.
I mean, a lot of
that's
things to
media's
one thing. So
sensationalism today, I'm sorry to say, sells. So what do you do? I mean, I as an actor can condemn it all the time, but it's not gonna.
How
doesn't change
has it
things.
been handled in this movie?
Very sensitively and very beautifully. I watched it and I felt
Yeah.
terrible.
yeah.
So, and I can totally imagine what somebody would feel like if they go through
Yeah.
it. What was worse was how it was made into a public spectacle.
Yeah.
And that has been depicted very sensitively.
Yeah.
The part where everyone just
Said that it was done for the promotion of a certain person or the promotion of a certain
Yeah.
designer.
Yeah.
That was really sad at that point, because the person who goes through it knows what they're going through. And I think Madhur has dealt with it really beautifully.
Yeah. Yeah.
But tell me, now after this whole incident took place a couple of years ago, are designers and models more careful before they walk out onto the ramp?
We were always careful. We are always this. As I said, it's an accident which happened, which we can't control. It happened to me so many times, but it's not in such a derogatory way. It's like your sari comes off, and
What do you do? What
yeah,
do you do at
you
that
just
point?
hold it and go run back. What you can't do anything. But then
But it's happened on stage with
Yeah,
me. I mean,
yeah.
I performed.
That's what I was just
my
coming there
my
to.
zip popped completely
Yeah.
of my choli, and it was just open.
Yeah.
So I was dancing, and there were 45,000 people in front of me.
Yeah.
What
Live
did you do?
at Wembley Stadium in London? I still remember this.
Oh
God.
shit.
And I'm dancing. I'm in the middle of a performance, and I remember one of the co-actors on the film. He saw it, and he came in the middle of this, and I was still dancing, and I couldn't turn back, so I had to hold my hands like this so nothing happens.
Oh.
And he came before I could leave. He came and held on to me and covered me from the back and took me
My
away.
God.
Yeah.
So it happened where people didn't even realize. But it's an accident. I mean,
Yeah.
how do you know when? What's gonna,
Yeah.
how do you know you're going to crash into another car?
Yeah.
It's something like that.
Okay, so unfair allegations over there.
Absolutely, I
yeah,
think so.
Yeah. Yeah.